Hi there. I just want to do a quick unboxing of this Corsair laptop because there's nothing on YouTube. I was looking for it before I bought it and I couldn't find any information on how it, if it's plastic, if it's metal and things like this. Yep. So let's open the box. So this is not a review, it's just a quick unboxing. I will do a review later. Okay, here we have a cable for the charger. I'm not gonna go into this. It's just a normal cable. Yep. The laptop, but just 1 second. Because here we have the manual, which nobody needs obviously, and the charger. Let me show you how the charger looks. Yep. And the other cable, which I just showed, goes here. But I'm not gonna go into that because we have more important thing, the laptop itself, which looks awesome to me. Yeah, this is plastic or glass, I'm not sure, because I'm not sure. It sounds like glass. I hope it's glass, because if it's plastic, no, should be glass. It feels like glass. Anyways, this is metal, but this is plastic. Yeah, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 exhausts. On the left side we have this USB-C or Thunderbolt, I'm not sure, USB charging port, RJ45, HDMI, USB at the back, and then here we have headphones and USB. Yeah, so it's quite big. It's a big laptop, heavy but solid. So as I said, this is metal, but on the inside the frame it's plastic, and this also is metal. Yeah, here it's metal, here it's plastic. So here at the top and here we have metal, but here and here at the bottom we have plastic. Yes, and this is the GeForce RTX 4060. There is another one which has 4070. Anyways, this is not a review. As I said, I'm gonna do a review a bit later. I'm not sure exactly when. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I will I'm happy to help you. Okay.